Okay, this is video 4.
And
What second are you on?
15, 17,
10. You're
8
8 seconds, yep. I got off track on the first video because I did like 15, 20.
Yeah, I went like 15, 11 or something like that.
Yeah, I went 20.
How many minutes you got right now? Probably at like 46 or something. Yeah, 46.
40. Oh, here's the finale.
Yeah, guys.
It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, this is the finale. Look how much smoke there is. Holy. I bet my dog's going crazy. I bet she's yelping. Oh my god. My neighbor behind us was setting off fireworks. She was going crazy barking. Yeah. Well, I think this is it.
I guess we have to.
It was worth making a new video. That people get seizures from this. And then you end up shaking at the end. That wouldn't be good.
Good night.
Woo!
Listen to him.
I can hear him screaming down there.
After this is another one. Oh, okay, yeah, that is the
end of the video.
So, hasta la vista.
I'm out.
Awesome.
See you later. Subscribe, rate, comment.
That was wild.
Goodbye. I'll end it at 2.